right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today I told you we're going to be starting a new section inside of our Web3Py favorites module, and that section is going to be a decrypting the private key in Python. So let's pick up with some light reading. So in this section, we will go over the process of decrypting the private key. Now that we have gone over the proper way to encrypt our private key, how do we decrypt it to get access to it? For this step, we will still be working in our deploy favorites.py file, where we actually make the transaction. We'll start by adding this define function after the transaction function. So we're going to say define or def decrypt key function. This is how we will start the process of decrypting our private key, which is encrypted. For now, we will just put a pass statement as instructions for the function while we get everything in order that we are going to need to decrypt our private key. Now this will look like this. So we have define or def decrypt key function. We're just going to put a pass here, letting us know that our function is functional. We're just putting a pass as the instructions, letting us know that we don't want to do anything with the function as of yet. Now, what we want to do to move forward is to grab the key store path and decrypt it. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is get the key store path, which we actually import from our contract by using this import. So we're going to say from encrypt key, import key store path. Here we are saying that we want to import the key store path from our encryptkey.py file, where it is stored into our deploy favorites.py file. So if you don't know, what you should, because if you've been following me, I've done it before, we can actually import libraries or other features that we have actually used in different files that we have inside of our same folder. But again, I'll show you better tomorrow when we open up our contract, so I can show you how we actually did it, because we actually imported this key store path from a file that we created, the encrypt key, which you've already seen. So yeah, we'll go over that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.